Let's talk for a minute about our battery. The OmniFlex system uses a lithium-ion battery. The nice thing about lithium is you don't have the hassles and worries that you typically have with lead-acid batteries. Unlike other batteries, you don't have to worry about overcharging or undercharging. You just plug the battery into the charger when you're finished using it. You can check the charge level of the battery at any time using the charge indicator. You basically press the red button and the green lights will illuminate to show a full charge all the way back to when it's empty. It's that easy to check the level of your battery, and it's also that easy to maintain it. The system also has an hour meter showing the number of hours the system has been running. You can see it here right on the front of our unit. Let's talk for a minute about charging the battery. We're going to want to use the charger that came with your unit. We're going to put that charger into the charger port on the battery. The charger plug is keyed and will only fit one way. Line up the release tab in the 11 o'clock position and insert into the charger port. Rotate it in clockwise direction to 12 o'clock position. Plug the charger into an electrical outlet to begin charging. The LED on the charger will be red while the battery is charging and will turn green when fully charged. As a reminder, this is a lithium-ion system, and lithium-ion likes to be opportunity charged. What that means is when it's not in use, it prefers to be plugged in. It's a AutoVac best practice to plug it in when it's not in use because it'll ensure the battery's at full strength and ready for you when you're ready to use it again. The battery will take between 3 to 5 hours to fully charge. The battery can be charged at any time. Once the battery is charged, you're ready to use it. So let's disconnect the charger, pull the release tab back, rotate in counterclockwise direction from 12 to the 11 o'clock position. Pull the charger plug out of the power port. To plug the vacuum motor into the battery, make sure the vacuum motor is turned off. Align the release tab on the vacuum motor power cord with it in the 11 o'clock position on the charger port. Insert the cord into the power port and then rotate from the 11 o'clock position to the 12 o'clock position. You will hear the release tab click into place. You can leave the battery on the system during charging or remove it from the system. To remove the battery, unplug the vacuum motor power cord. Pull back on the release tab and rotate from the 12 o'clock position to 11 o'clock. Pull the cord out of the power port. Now we'll remove the spigot control. We'll basically remove the pin from the spigot, pull the throttle extension rod out, unstrap the battery from the push handle, tilt it back to free the battery and lift. Now that we've taken the battery off, let's take it to the charging port. After it's fully charged, we'll bring it back to the unit and we'll show you how to reinstall it. To reinstall the battery, lift the battery into place. Tilt back slightly and rest on the rear of the trolley bucket. Begin to tilt it forward until it snaps into place. You'll fasten the snap straps. Insert the throttle extension handle through the holes. Place the pin through the rod and spigot. Make sure the throttle is in the off position. Plug the battery back in by aligning the release tab on the vac motor power cord in the 11 o'clock position of the charger port. Insert the cord. Rotate from that 11 o'clock position to the 12 o'clock position. You will hear the release tab click into place. Check the charge level on the battery. You're now ready to go. Let's finish with storing your battery. It's important that you store this in a room that is dry and has a temperature between 40 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The stored temperatures higher than 80 degrees will decrease the life of the battery. In fact, high storage temperatures is the #1 factor of decreasing the life of a lithium-ion battery.